In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams on your Mac. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that brings together chat, video conferencing, and file sharing in one application. It's a popular choice for both individuals and businesses looking to streamline their communication and teamwork. Let's go through the steps to get Microsoft Teams up and running on your Mac. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you like to use. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams and execute the search. You're looking for the official Microsoft Teams page. It should appear at or near the top of your search results. Once you find the link that reads Microsoft Teams Video Conferencing Meetings Calling, go ahead and click on that. Now that you've arrived at the official Microsoft Teams page, look for the option that says Download Now and click on it. This will take you to another page where you can select the download for your specific operating system. Make sure you click on Download Teams for Mac. This ensures you're getting the correct version for your machine. Once the download starts, you'll see a file begin to download in your browser. This might take a little time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. When the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, which should be in your Downloads folder or wherever your downloads are typically saved. Double-click the file to open the installer. As the installer opens, you'll be guided through a series of prompts. These are very typical for most software installations on a Mac. You'll start with the introduction screen, click Continue to move through it and onto the installation type screen. Again, click Continue here. Next, you'll see the installation screen where you'll be prompted to hit Install. Do just that. Once you click Install, the installation process will begin. You may be asked for your Mac's admin password, so have that handy just in case. After you've provided authentication, the installation will start in earnest. Note that this might take a few minutes, so you'll need a little patience here too. When the installation completes, you'll see a prompt that reads Installation Successful. Congratulations, you're almost there. Click Close to exit the installer. Now, to open Microsoft Teams, navigate to your Applications folder or Launchpad where you'll find the Teams app. Double-click the icon to launch it, and you're ready to start using Microsoft Teams. And that's it. You have successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your Mac. Now you can start connecting with colleagues, friends, or family using Teams' robust suite of communication tools. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Microsoft Teams.